So we're going to Best Buy right now to look at some camera stuff, and then we're gonna go fishing and see if we can catch some bass. So we're at Best Buy now. Let's go see what we can find for cameras and mics and stuff, because I know y'all can hear the wind. So let's see. Couldn't find anything at Best Buy, so I think we're going fishing now. So we'll see when we get there. Oh, we're going fishing now. You know, my boy Nate right there, killing it. Yes, sir. Let me zoom out. There we go. Yep. Hopefully we can catch some bass or something. Let you know when we do. I don't know if y'all know this game, but let's see if it works. Hey, in 3 seconds, ground is lava.
Ground is lava.
Fuck! We're dead. First cast, guys. Alright, you might not be able to hear me. I'm gonna put you down by my waist. Guys, I'm gonna move real quick, see if we can get a better spot. We can catch something for sure. Well guys, it's been about 5 minutes, haven't caught none yet, so still waiting for this little bite to come. It's taking forever. Come on, fishy. You gotta sing a little fishy song. Come on, fishy. Come on, fishy. I don't know about y'all. Can y'all see my buddy way over there fishing? He hasn't caught nothing either. We're still just sitting here trying to catch stuff. We're using topwater frogs right now, you know. And yeah, can't catch nothing. I mean, there's little frogs popping everywhere, but who's trying to catch a frog now? Trying to catch me a little bass or something. But yeah. Hey! Say hey! Hey, see him? Yes, sir. Hold on, guys. So right now I'm gonna walk to a different spot and see if we can catch something. None of these spots work over here. Ain't catch shit. So I'm gonna go somewhere else and see if there's anything there, or maybe go to another pond. I don't know yet. Let's see. I'll get back to y'all whenever I get there. Peace. Y'all see that turtle on that thing? A little turtle on that thing. Found me a golf ball, cause we're at a golf course. But yeah, y'all see that turtle right there? Turtle's a savage. He said, yeah, I'm getting sun. Where y'all at? LMAO.